Here you see two 6-volt batteries. You need to turn them the same way. Turn them the same way. These two are your ground, these two are your hot. The black is always your ground wire. So you hook this one in the middle. And then you take your other hot wires, these are them, and put them on the hot side, which is to the corner of the battery. There. Now you get this has been really irritating, so for everything. You have your toggle switch, some wire connectors to a toggle switch. You will find the toggle switch and the toggle switch connectors for the wire and the wires in the same place, back at the automotive part of Walmart, you know. And then we're gonna grab our alarm, our beeper, whatever you want to call it. You can get this for probably $11 at your local AutoZone. Okay. Now you hook one end of it to the end of a connector. To the end of a connector. Not the spring that comes off the battery, the connector. And then you pull your beeper over here and then connect it to the red side of the beeper. And then use your other ground wire. This requires 2 black wires and 2 red wires. So you're probably gonna have to buy 2 packs. I don't know if they come in 2 or not. You're gonna put it to the side just like you did the other one to hook to the beeper. You're gonna hook it onto the connector. They're most known by some middle-aged people as alligator connectors. Then you hook it to the other end of your beeper. Just hook it, and then you use your toggle switch and cut the beeper on. This can be used as a fire alarm. You can put it like in the middle of your hallway, and just like have everything else like sitting behind it. It's like in a door, but like a door, like a box for, and drill onto the door, and have the switch sticking out like this. Then like there's a fire, or you want to do a fire drill, all you do is the switch. It's as simple as that. Check out my other videos. I have a lot of, let's see, beeper videos. Anyway, I love fire alarms, I love beepers, and I love school buses. So I may have school bus videos, beeper videos, and more science project videos. Well, see you. Bye.